We're going to do something today called the awareness technique. So what I want you to do is just get comfortable. You can put your feet on the ground, you can lean back, you can pull your legs up and cross your legs, whatever you want to do. So you're just going to close your eyes and take a nice breath, just a natural breath. Just let your shoulders drop. Good. And then you're just going to notice your thoughts. So just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just notice your thoughts. See what direction they're coming in. Watch them come into your head and notice which direction they travel, where they're coming from and where they're going. I want you to just ask yourself, I wonder where the next thought will come from. And just breathe into that. You might notice if your thoughts are pictures or words. Maybe you see colors. Now I just want you to ask yourself, I wonder what my next thought will look like. Good, and you can just breathe into that too. When you're ready, you can open your eyes again. I would love to hear what happened. So if you want to message me, put a little message in the chat. Let me know what happened. Here's what typically happens. And this is what happened to me. When I did it, I asked myself, I wonder what my next thought will be. I wonder where it will come from, or I wonder what it will look like. My mind would just go blank. So I thought I was doing it wrong. For some people, they'll get a flood of them. It's almost like, oh, you're listening to me? Okay, well, let me just give you everything. And you get like a flood of thoughts. But those typically, they'll come in and then they'll go out. And pretty soon, because you're searching for a thought, your mind just goes blank. And it's so interesting because you would think that you could grab something, right? But no, it's so interesting that that happens. And here's the lesson. So you are the observer of your thoughts. Just think about that for a second. Who is the one looking at the thoughts? It's you, but you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. And the beautiful lesson of that is, a lot of us overthink things. We can get stuck in thought loops. And just recognizing that thoughts come and go and they are outside of us, they are not us, gives you more power in that relationship. Ultimately, you get to decide what to keep and what to discard. And it may not feel like that a lot of times, but the more you practice nervous system regulation, the easier it's going to be a steward over the thoughts that come. I hope that was very interesting for you. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.